Hey guys, I'm coming at you with a naked face. If you've checked out my other stuff, thank you. If you've subscribed, thank you. I want to start out with my first thing. In November, I think Black Friday sale, I bought some Storybook cosmetic stuff. I am a BoxyCharm member, and in being that, I got the Little Briar Rose palette. I love it. I fell in love with the formula, so it urged me to want to check out all of the rest of their stuff, right? So I ended up, sorry if you hear this noise, it's my kids. They're crazy. But anyways, I ended up purchasing a palette, the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palette, and then I also purchased this little baby, which is Lips. Came in some pretty crazy colors, green and blue, which I'm not sure that those are for me, but the two main colors that I bought it for were these two colors, which, I don't know, it's like a, I don't know, brownish mauve and a red. Sorry for that brief pause. Again, I have kids, so that'll happen a lot on my page. As I was saying, I was talking about Storybook cosmetics. So I had ordered the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory eyeshadow palette, which I was really excited about, and this lip set. Well, when I got my package, it took like 3 weeks. I did kind of get frustrated, but after I thought about it and I actually realized holidays, everything was backed up. I was not the only person shopping online. So then I've reached out to the company and no response. I reached out for a second time, no response. And after my third time I reached out, and that was kind of like my last time. I was just kind of over it. I reached out and they basically just sent me an email saying that they were so sorry and that I should just keep the extra one and that they were sending me my original order. So I got the box today, so we're gonna open it up and check out what I got. I have a few these were included, so I'm kind of curious as if the eyeshadow palette and these are in there, which would mean I have not one extra, but 2 extras of these. And again, I am pretty excited about these 2 colors. This red is stunning. This, I don't know, I don't think you can really see this shade. These 2, I am not wild and crazy. I did wear the green one for a Christmas thing, ugly sweater thing, but here they are. So, with no further ado, let's open. Okay, so we have the box here. I am kind of excited about this eyeshadow palette because, so, in their box, which that's the packing slip. You don't need to see that. In their box, they have a packing slip, these cute little bookmarks that just kind of tell their story. Now, something interesting that I didn't realize was that Storybook Cosmetics is actually owned by 3 sisters, and it's just a small company. And I didn't know that because, again, I only got my first Storybook Cosmetics product was with BoxyCharm, so I didn't realize anything about the company. Let's just put it that way. So, the first thing, and it always is really packaged nicely. Neither of my lip palettes came with this on it. Because it's not the lip palette. There is something else in the box now, so I think it is the lip palette. Let's open the rest of the box and then we'll come back to this. it is. So, I have already deemed my first one to my best friend. Now I have 2 extras. Aren't their packagings just so cute though? I love them. Like, I literally have mine on display on my shelf. Like, cute. Cute. Ignore that. And that's all that's in the box. So, let's go back to this. How cute. I'm so excited. So, in the description on their website, it says that this palette will have a hint of chocolate smell. So I'm kind of interested into just how chocolatey it smells. And this slips out like that. And again, just so cute. I love it. They're thick. They're not travel friendly at all, but they're so cute. And I don't do a lot of traveling, so I guess that's perfect for me, right? Oh. Check this out. It's the golden ticket. That is so cute. Well, it says golden ticket, 1st of February at 10 a.m. Many wonderful surprises await you. So I am kind of curious as to what's happening on the 1st of February. I guess I'll check out their website, right? So here's the palette. I mean, I suppose it has a little bit of... No, not really at all. But just how amazing are these colors? Like, I love them. Look at these. And their names. Charlie Bucket. Snozberries. I grew up on Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Like the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And then, of course, Johnny Depp did his Willy Wonka, which was a great, as well. Let's just put it that way. But then, like, we have purple, which is Willy Wonka. Violet Beauregard. Golden Ticket, of course. Veruca Salt, which is just some, like, shimmers. This one is a metallic shimmer. Most of them are mattes. Which I like. Mattes are nice. I do prefer metallics. I can swatch these. If you're interested, let me know in the comments below. Swatch them if you want. And I have another box. But this is it for Storybook Cosmetics. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thanks for watching.